All right. So let me teach you guys how to actually use the strategy. All right. So let me go onto a higher time frame. All right. Let me start here first. Let me start on the 15. All right. So we're on gold at the moment, guys. All right. What I'm gonna do, I'm gonna hide the line so it doesn't look confusing, right? So this line right here is the 800 meter, the 800 meter, the 800 EMA, right? So this literally tells you the trend of the market, right? Now this color line that you see right here is the trend line. Just make sure you're taking notes on the side as well, guys. This right here is the trend line. Oops, sorry. Then the boxes that you see are support and resistance. If you see them at the bottom, it would be support. If you see them at the top, it would be resistance. All right. Now, how this works is that you basically line up the colors and take the trade, right? Now, if you're looking for a buy, right, all you're waiting for is the word to pop up says buy. You have a solid green candle, you have your green trend line, and you have your green volume bar, right? Once you see everything line up green, that's when you take the trade for a buy. Drop a number 1 in the chat because this is going to be very interactive, guys. All right. So once you see everything line up green, whether you're on the 50 minutes, the 30, the 1, the 5, the 1 hour, the 5 minute, the 3 minute, or the 1 minute, you just line up the colors and take the trade, just like the previous strategy that we were using. You understand? Now, if you're looking for a sell, right, all you're waiting for, your sell to appear, your red line should be over the price, right? Then you're looking for your solid red candle, and you need a red volume bar right here, right, for you to get into the trade. Now make this red, and that's it, right? Now, if you're using these boxes, which you can, all you would have to do is, if you're going for a sell, this is what you're going to do. If you don't see any boxes above, you put your stop loss at the previous high, right? In this case, if I'm looking for a sell on this trade, I will put my stop loss above the previous high, which is right here. Watch out, I need this red. All right, so I'll put my stop loss right above this wick right here. So you see, even though I got in for the sell, there was no way I could have got stopped out of this trade. You understand? If I'm looking for a sell. And bear in mind, it does tell you to take your profit as well, right? This is even without the alerts. So if you look here, if you enter for a sell right here, yes, it did tell you to take your profit down here. Or if it push up to a certain extent, it tells you to take your profit from the buy, right? Not all the time it does tell you, so you have to know when to take your profit, guys. Nobody sit down in the trade and make the trade shoot up and shoot back down before you say, oh my God, stop loss it, right? And don't depend on this to be telling you when to take profit. Everybody's big people, they should know when to take their profit out the market, right? Now, let's say we are getting in for the buy, we already entered the trade. All you have to do is either you could put your stop loss underneath this box right here, or you could use the LL, which means the lower low. This is the last lower low in the market. So you could have put your stop loss right underneath the structure right here. All right, I'll make this red. So this is where you would have put your stop loss, and you would be in the trade. You shoot up, gone about the business, boom, TP18. Right? That's it. What time frame are we using? So I'm on the 50 minutes. All right. Now with the strategy, you can use it on any time frame, right? You don't have to have a specific time frame because it literally works on every time frame. If you're looking for between scalp to intraday, then you would be from the 1 minute to the 1 hour. If you're looking for swing trade, then you're looking for the swing can also be from the 30 to the day. All right. So this is on the lower time frame. Now, I'm going to show you guys something. So when I was on IG Live, I literally figured out something, guys. You remember when we were using the other strategy. I don't want to call the name because I don't want no copyright business. You understand? You remember when we were using the other strategy and we used to go from the high time frame, drop our vertical line in and drop down to the lower time frame for entry. That's what I'm going to show you guys now, right? So let me hide back these things because my chart does look a little bit too much over here. So, all right. So let's say, let me see if I could use something else. All right. US 30. Let me see if I can find something under. Oh, this cell. Okay. All right. Let me see if I could use this. So I'm on the 4 hour. Actually, let me go on the day and see if I can find something right here. All right. Boom. Let me see. All right. So you see how it tells you to take your profits here, guys? Let me know if you can see this. So it tells you to take your profits when the market moves to a certain extent. The sell S, I'm gonna take these off because they don't make no sense. Hold on. The buy TP and the sell SL, and yeah, because he was saying that it does come with the TP here and the SL, but I don't like them. Too much noise on my chart right now. Alright, so I'm on the day chart on US 30, right? Now let's say I'll answer all of the questions at the end, guys. Let me just concentrate. Let's say we're waiting for a sell on US 30, right? Now we get the sell, right? We get the sell on the US 30, and everything is lining up on here, right? You wouldn't enter on the day chart, right? Because the day chart you won't be able to see any form of pullbacks, right? Don't mind these other lines down here. I don't want to delete them, right? So let's say we get the sell on the day chart, guys, right? You drop a vertical line in, and then you can drop either to the 5 or the 15 for your entry. I would say drop to the 5 to get a sniper entry, right? Now let me show you guys something. Hold on, let's find the red line now. All right, Jesus, this was far. Mighty, hold on. That was definitely far away. Because remember, guys, US 30 has been in a downtrend. I wish about the rest of the chart there. US 30 has been in a downtrend for a while, right? All right, let me see if I can zoom in this right here. Yeah, that was far, really far. All right, let me see. Should be coming up anytime soon. Oh Jesus! You look at me. You look at the line gone. All right, so let me see something. No, it look like that line that gone about the business. All right. Okay. Yeah, that was really far. All right. Let's see. It must be somebody else, man. What's that? Let me see if I can zoom in. I can't zoom in no more. All right. I'll have to see if I don't find it. I'll have to use a different example. All right. Let me go back to the day chart. Guys, it look like this the line gone with the business. The line is just right here. Oh my God, it went all the way back to the 1st of September. All right, so let's say you did find the sell did pop up on the day chart, guys. All you would have to do is drop a vertical line in, drop to the lower time frame, find your entry, and get back in, and get in the trade. That's where I was trying to get at, but the line looked like it gone all the way back to Jesus. You understand? So what you could do, if you did miss the sell entry on the lower time frame, you wait until you wait for the pullback, and then wait for a next sell on the lower time frame to re-enter back into the trade, or to enter the new trade. And you could have taken this trade all the way down here. Boom, reach support, and it tell you if you take your profit, make your money come out the market. Now bear in mind, we did catch this move last week. You understand? For those that were on the live session, we did catch some of this move, right? So that's what I was trying to get at, right? Now on the day now, here's how we're gonna win with this, guys. Once we get a buy on the day, right? Once we get a buy on the day, right? Then we drop to the 5 minutes, find our entry like what we literally did today, find our entry and take the trade up for the buy. And you literally secure your profit. All right? So that's all you need to do. So you don't have to do it on the day. You could do it on the 4 hour, right? If you don't want to be in the market all day, you could do it on the 4 hour, right? Wait until everything line up green, or wait until you get a buy. So in this case, let's say we have this buy right here, right? Boom, everything line up green, but you're not entering on the 4 because you won't be able to see the pullback on the lower time frame, right? So you'll find everything line up on the green on the 4 hour, drop to your 5 minutes, right? Drop to your 5 minutes, and let's see what miracle we can book up in now. All right, hold on a second. Boom. So a miracle stick here. You understand? So you literally, hold on, let me do this. So this is what you would do, guys. You would enter for the buy, right, under 5 minutes. Right here, boom, it tell you if you take your profit. Then you would have come out right here. You could have take it down for the sell. It tell you if you take your profit, you push it up for the buy again. You can take your profit right here. You get in on the next sell from here, right? Take your profit from here. Then right here again, you wait for everything to line up, take it up for the buy. So initially, let me zoom this out right here. You could have literally scalped this market right through, guys, without even coming out of the trade. And this is what I want everybody to be doing. Stay in the trades for as long as you can, especially when you do get your live account. So we got a buy right here. It didn't really line up in my favor, so I would literally wait because US30 been moving sideways all that time. Then we get a few buys over here. We have a higher low right here. We got a buy right here. It kept moving sideways. It kept doing nonsense. Then boom, we did get a buy right here. So we could have got in for the buy right here. We have a solid green candle, the buy, the green trend line, and the green volume bar. Now you could have taken it from there and stayed in this trade. I believe this is from Asian session. Yes, this is from Asian session, guys. Look at this. If you had this last night, you could have taken this trade, and this US30 trade would have been 441 pips. 441 pips, guys, on US30 from Asian session last night. And all you had to do was stay in the trade. You understand? Drop a number 1 if you understand, guys, because I want to make sure everybody understand how it works. It's similar, just like the other strategy. You understand? Line up the colors, take the trade. So this will actually give you, some of you guys, more understanding of the market and how it actually moves, what you're looking for, because it's literally telling you when to take profit, whether you're going for a buy or a sell, right? It's giving you the support and the resistance. Don't mind my chart, it just mark up all over the place. You understand? It's literally giving you guys the support and the resistance for you to get into the market, right? You see that how US30 now come up to this box is rejecting. Now if we get it push up and break and close above, we know that it's going to be running off. All right, so that's pretty much how it works. All right, so trading, let me see. So what we're looking at, all right, let me break for a second and see what I want to chat. Did somebody have questions? Let me see. Sophie, do we get access to it? No, if we decide, yes. So I did drop the link in the chat, so you can get it as an add-on, right? So I made this on its own, right? Not made it, but you know what I mean. I literally create a link for just this on its own, and I did create one with this and the alert. So Jay is gonna be coming in and he's gonna be setting up the alerts in the new Discord. All right. Let me see. Yes, yes, Joan. How do we get the alerts with the full package? So with the full package. So with the I haven't done it with the I haven't done it for the add-on. So for the add-on, I only have this on its own or with the alert. So you can get it. Yeah, I did do the two of them together as an add-on. So if you click the link in the group, you can get it. You can get both of them, right? But if you want to, if you're already in the team and you're just gonna pay for the monthly, you can get the monthly on its own, and then you could get the alerts and the strategy separate, right? And then if you do want it as a whole package altogether and just pay one money, then do let me know, guys, because I didn't do it like that just in case people say, oh my god, it's so expensive. You understand? But yeah, I did do them separate because I didn't know who actually want it all together, who want it separate, or who don't want the alerts and all of these things. You understand? So I have to cater for people who don't have a lot of money. You understand? Any questions before we move on? Any questions? All right, so let's see what's happening now. So what I'm gonna do, so that's basically how the strategy works, guys. And as the time go on and on, then we will keep using it, and you understand that everybody can get used to it. I will put this recording on my YouTube so you guys can go back and rewatch it again, right? So let's look at the trailing stop loss now. So let's say, what can I use? I use gold for example. So the reason there's a reason I use the Ekanashi candles, guys. Oh, I'm already on gold. What I'm doing here? Hold on a second. Let me delete some of these things on the chart and then show you guys how to use Ekanashi. Oh yes, so do remember, guys, once you buy it, you have to send me your trading view name. Make sure you have trading view so that so I can send it to Jay, right? Send it to Jay so you can put it on your chart. When it does put it on your chart, this is how it's going to look. You're going to see these three indicators. As you can see, they're locked. And how it works is that it's every month you have to pay for it, guys, right? So if you don't pay for it 1 month, you won't have access to it. And I can't control that, guys, because I'm not the one who actually made it, right? So how it's going to work is that if you don't pay, then you won't have access to it. All right. But yeah, this is how it's gonna look. There's a video already in the Discord where it goes through how to set it up on your trading view. All right, you don't have to have the paid version, guys, as long as you have trading view. All right, now let's say, all right, so where is gold? That's all right, sis. All right, I did record it just in case. All right, so let's say we call out, well, we did enter goal, right? So goal activated right here. This is for people as well that doesn't want to be in the market too long, and they just are either way, they just want to secure the profit along the way. Let me expand this. Now let's say goal activate our buy stop, right? Our stop loss is all the way down there already, down at the bottom, but this candle literally pushed up. Oh, look at this. But this gold trade, this one candle literally push up and smash the EP1. Ah, look at that. One candle. Anyway, so this candle, guys, activated our buy stop, right? Or whichever candle. Look at this, is bare wicks are going to the place. So our buy stop got activated and the candle start pushing up. Now what you're going to do, you're going to move your SL in profit with the Ekanashi candles. On your trading view, if everybody wants to do this now, click on Ekanashi. right? And put a star beside it, right? And just click on it and it will look like this. Okay, because the Economy is different from the normal candles. So let's say my stop loss is right here, right? And then you had this candle that activated your trade. If you did put TP1, then it would have stopped you out already, right? Now, let's say you're still in the trade. You put TP3 and it's still pushing up a go about the business. This is how you trade your stop loss, guys, right? Once you get a second solid green candle pushing up to Jesus, then you move your stop loss from here underneath this candle. All right. Once you get a third candle pushing up some more, for God meet Jesus and him and Jesus have like a magnum tonic wine and white rum, you move your stop loss to break. This is well more than break even, right? You move it to the as long the candle has to have a flat bottom. All right, make sure you write this down. The candles has to have a flat bottom, meaning nothing should be underneath it. You see like how these wicks on it, don't put no wick, no put on no wick. It should have a flat bottom before you move your stop loss. You make this one push up and you get a new one and you keep moving your stop loss up so, right? Without even closing the trade. You understand? Now right here, I would have stopped right here because we have gold stop moving sideways. We don't know what's gonna happen right here. Yes, volume is still in there, but we might get a retest back down, and if it does stop you out, you're already up already, guys, right? If it did stop you out, if you did put TP1, then that's brilliant. But let's say you put TP3 and you want to stay in the trade a little bit longer. This is what I'm trying to teach you guys. Stay in the trades a little bit longer than jumping in and out, in and out, in and out. So from here, so come up here. So guys, this is 51 pips. This is 51 pips, guys. So times that with whatever lot size you use, right? Times that via whatever lot size you use, I'll see how much you made on that trade. Or if it stop you out, you'll see how much you made money wise, right? But don't look at it on money, on the money side. Look at it on the percentage and the amount of pips that you make in the market, right? And if you're still in, where was the stop loss again? Lord God, look at me last something. All right, so we enter from here. I never that, you know. I did this one. I don't remember. Okay, my thing. All right, so this is 65. You're up 65 pips so far, guys. Right? So even if this little candle yes or no come and decide to stop you out, you still make 65 pips or 66 pips for the day. You understand? Satisfy and come out the market. Right? Satisfy, run out of the market and say, boom, me finish for the day. You understand? And that's it. So that's how you literally move your stop loss up in profit each time you're in profit. Rather than letting the trade come all the way back down to entry and you're not secure nothing. Right? So you can either do this or close your trade yourself. You understand? Manually. And if you're going for the sell, it's the same thing. Each time the candle is pushing down, you keep moving your stop loss down. Keep moving the line down to the previous candle. All right? So drop on number one if I made that clear, guys. So let's look at oil, right? So oil is literally at our, why is it saying entry? I never put this as a buy stop. All right, so that was on the higher time frame. You can do it on any time frame, guys. It doesn't have to be on the higher time frames. You can do it on the 5. Now for the 1 minute, you can do it on the 1 minute, but the 1 minute is too fast, right? I would say 5 minutes. Put it on the 5. Now, for example, if I did go on gold on the 5 minutes, right? Hold on a second. If I did do it on the 5 minutes, this is what you would have done. Right here is a perfect example. Hold on a second. Let me use it down here. All right, I need a steady flow of candles. That's pretty much the same. Let me go out a little bit more. See if I can find US 30. All right, boom. Did I say US 30 smash TP2 already? Look at this, it smashed TP2 and then come back down to TP1. It's gonna come down and retest that area. All right, let me use this as an example. So this is a good example. So let's say you wanna stay into US 30 for the remaining of the day. Look what you could have done, guys. Right, so you enter right here for the buy. We're on the 5 minutes now. Without even you moving the time frames, guys, you could have enter on the 5 minutes and stay on the 5 minutes with this. You understand? With this strategy, you enter right here for the buy,